15-year-old Terrebonne Parish girl is recovering in a Texas hospital as her mother sits in jail. It's a crime law enforcement agents say will turn your stomach and shock you.
And this was definitely a difficult story to read today. Terrebonne Parish Sheriff's Office says the teen was shot twice, raped and burned. How the girl's mother and her boyfriend are suspects in this case.
Lily Cummings was in Terrebonne Parish this evening and has new details about the mother's previous convictions.
She's an incredible young lady to be able to encounter what she went through and be able to tell our detectives what happened.
With emotion in his voice, Terrebonne Parish Sheriff Tim Saunier provided details about a gruesome case that crosses state lines. Last month, his department was notified of a child abuse case that may have gone undiscovered if not for a car wreck. The accident happened on I-10 eastbound in Baytown, Texas, about 300 miles away from Thibodaux. Baytown police say 41-year-old Terrence Washington was driving recklessly and was armed. 40-year-old LaTanya Harris was in the passenger seat. Her two daughters, ages 10 and 15, were also in the car. The police say that the 15-year-old was suffering from gunshot wounds and severe burns to more than 30% of her body.
Detectives learned that mid-February 2024, the juvenile female was burned after LaTanya Harris had learned of a sexual assault committed on the juvenile by her fiancé, Terrence Washington. Harris burned the juvenile with flammable liquid in a lighter at the Thibodaux residence.
When detectives searched the family's home behind me here, they say they not only found evidence that a gun was shot inside the home, but they also documented a strong odor of infection and decomposing flesh. The sheriff says the girls were homeschooled, which may have been why the abuse went unreported for so long. The sheriff says Harris and Washington denied her medical care, and now they face a laundry list of charges. WWL Louisiana obtained court records that show Harris pled guilty to child desertion in 2017. At the time, the court ordered her to, among other things, complete a parenting class.
It will shock you.
Joe Waits says in his nearly 28 years as district attorney, he's never seen anything this horrific.
Will we ever get justice for this person? I don't think that we can. The parts of her body that she's lost, the horrific mental and physical scars that she'll endure for the rest of her life.
Washington is in Texas being held without bond for crimes there. Harris is in Terrebonne Parish Jail being held on a $1 million bond. In Terrebonne Parish, Lily Cummings, WWL Louisiana.
The district attorney says an arraignment is set for June 24th. At that time, a trial date will be set.